I'm Jake Roberts with the Gerard team and Royal LePage. Welcome to 330 King Street East in the beautiful town of Stoney Creek. This fantastic 4-bedroom home is situated on a large 122 by 108 lot, features an in-law suite basement and a kitchen walkout to a backyard oasis with on-ground pool and plenty of entertainment space. We have escarpment views, quick highway access to the QEW, and only a stone's throw from downtown Stoney Creek. Please enjoy the tour. Once again, I'm Jake Roberts with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or would like to book a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.